Imagine this: the gentle sound of waves crashing, a warm ocean breeze, and the freedom to trade the financial markets from the comfort of your beach towel. What was once an impossible dream is now a reality for many Forex traders who are embracing the ultimate work-life balance. Trading Forex at the beach might seem unconventional, but it offers a unique blend of relaxation and opportunity that can enhance your trading experience. Gone are the days of being chained to a desk in a bustling office. Forex trading, with its 24/5 market and online accessibility, allows you to work from virtually anywhere with an internet connection. This newfound freedom has opened up a world of possibilities for traders, with many opting for more serene and inspiring work environments. And what better place to find peace and inspiration than the tranquil beauty of the beach? Trading can be a mentally demanding activity. The constant monitoring of charts, news, and economic indicators can take a toll on even the most seasoned trader. That's why it's crucial to find an environment that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. The beach, with its calming atmosphere and picturesque scenery, provides the perfect antidote to trading fatigue. The sound of waves crashing against the shore has a naturally soothing effect, helping to lower cortisol levels and promote relaxation. Studies have shown that spending time in nature, such as at the beach, can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost creativity. These benefits can translate into better trading decisions, as a clear and relaxed mind is less prone to emotional trading and impulsive actions. One of the most appealing aspects of Forex trading is the freedom and flexibility it offers. Unlike traditional 9-to-5 jobs, Forex trading allows you to set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world. This level of autonomy is particularly attractive to those who value their independence and crave a better work-life balance. With a laptop and a stable internet connection, the beach can easily transform into your trading office. Imagine checking charts between dips in the ocean, analyzing market trends while enjoying a refreshing drink, or executing trades as the sun sets over the horizon. Forex trading gives you the power to design your ideal workday, combining your passion for trading with your love for the beach. Section 4. Clear skies, clearer decisions. Your trading environment can have a significant impact on your decision-making abilities. A cluttered and chaotic workspace can lead to distractions, stress, and ultimately, poor trading decisions. On the other hand, a clean, organized, and aesthetically pleasing environment can enhance focus, promote calmness, and foster a more positive trading mindset. The beach offers a naturally uncluttered and visually appealing workspace. The vastness of the ocean, the openness of the sky, and the simplicity of the surroundings can help to clear your mind and allow you to focus on the task at hand. This sense of clarity can be invaluable when making critical trading decisions, leading to more calculated trades and potentially better outcomes. Section 5. Beyond the beach. Finding your trading zen. While the beach provides an idyllic setting for many Forex traders, it's important to find an environment that works best for you. Whether it's a quiet coffee shop, a peaceful park, or the comfort of your own home, the key is to create a workspace that promotes relaxation, minimizes distractions, and allows you to fully focus on your trading. Experiment with different environments and see how they impact your trading performance. You might be surprised to discover that a change of scenery is all you need to take your trading to the next level. The beauty of Forex trading lies in its flexibility, allowing you to create a work-life balance that aligns with your personal preferences and lifestyle. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the trader's lifestyle. Forex trading at the beach is more than just a trend. It's a testament to the freedom and flexibility that this market offers. It's about breaking free from the confines of a traditional office and embracing a lifestyle that combines work and passion. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, don't be afraid to explore new and unconventional trading environments. You might just find that the perfect trading setup is just a beach towel away.